Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse where we bring you the best in premium tech daily. And today, we're talking serious home theater firepower. Meet the JBL Bar 1300X, an 11.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos Soundbar system with detachable wireless surround speakers that brings blockbuster audio to your living room. Let's start with the basics. 1.1.4 channels, over 1170 watts of total system power, and support for Dolby Atmos and DTS. What does that mean in real-world use? Immersion. Real, room-filling, spine-tingling immersion where every footstep, explosion, and whisper is placed precisely around and above you. And the magic is in the design, the side and top firing drivers, combined with JBL MultiBeam trademark technology, bounce sound around the room to simulate a true 3D sound experience even if your space isn't perfectly shaped. But here's where it gets wild. Two of the surround speakers are detachable. That's right, pop them off the main bar, place them behind you, and they become true wireless rear speakers with built-in batteries. No wires, no plugs, no mounting, just instant, cinematic surround sound. Recharge by docking them back onto the soundbar. And the 10-inch wireless subwoofer, it slams. Deep, clean bass that makes every action scene feel like it's shaking the room without any distortion or delay. You also get built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, Chromecast, and Alexa multi-room music, so you can stream music or podcasts directly without touching the remote. And with HDMI, eARC and 4K Dolby Vision pass-through, you're future-proofed for any home theater setup. Control everything through the JBL One app. Adjust EQ, manage sources, or set up voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. The JBL Bar 1300X isn't just a soundbar, it's a full-blown, modular Dolby Atmos surround system that requires no installation, no wires, and delivers pure, cinematic power. Hit the link below to experience it for yourself, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. We drop 20 epic tech reviews daily here on Gadgetverse.